January 29, 2007. 8th Trial Overview. In the last trial so far, most tribunal time was consumed for the verification and refutation of the facts from prosecutors and attorney, as well as was spent for scheduling for future trial days. Hereafter, from the 8th trial, it was going on summoning of related witnesses and started interrogation for them. As a first witness, Bijmed Hospital had Noh Sung-il attended in 8th trial. During 8th trial, he flip-flopped prior statements inconstantly during interrogation. The most important statement in court was that he saw the stem cells derived from cloned blastocysts, which was in 2004-2005 science paper. It gave the audience huge impact due to flip-flopping from prior interview by PD Note in MBC features first official blower broadcasting system against Dr. Hwang in Korea. Number 1. Main testimony of first witness Noh Sung-il. Noh said, I had seen directly Seoul National University stem cells registered in science paper 2004-2005. And furthermore, I have researched together as the way of partnership. When it comes to partnership, Dr. Hwang was assigned for establishing the human blastocyst by cloning technology, and then by this human blastocyst, my Bijmed Hospital team had a role to establish the stem cells after receiving Dr. Hwang's team's outcome. And Moon Shin-yong had a role to advise whole process. Noh said, there was none of agreement and indication that Dr. Hwang took the totally comprehensive responsibility among our partnership aforementioned. This is the answer from Noh Sung-il, directly questioned by Dr. Hwang Seok. Noh Sung-il said, if a fresh blastocyst was given to our team, stem cells derived from cloning was able to establish it. Number 2. Tribunal record of first witness Noh Sung-il. Number 2-A. About enforcement of egg donation for Dr. Hwang's researcher. In both interrogation between prosecutor and attorney in court, witness Noh Sung-il mentioned samely that there was no enforcement against research team members from Dr. Hwang Seok. Number 2-B. About informed consent for egg donation. All patients who gave us informed consent sheet in our hospital medical submitted to head nurse I designated. Therefore, it was palpable that we, our medical team, received the whole of consent sheet from each patient as a certified clinic institute. If there was side effect and mispresentation during procedure, that was responsible for Ms. Mary, our team. Number 2-C. About existence of stem cells which are identical to Science Paper 2005. A long time ago, hospital head Noh Sung-il had said that he had never seen the stem cell indicated in 2005 science paper in PD Note MBC broadcasting system. However, he pleaded over and testified that he had seen the 2005 science paper stem cell by microscope directly on the spot with the first clone, the leadership maker Wilmot, who dropped by Korea at the time. Number 2-D. He said the fact that Dr. Hwang produced almost 100 pieces of cloned prostheses. For the question whether Dr. Hwang produced and gave 100 pieces of cloned prostheses, Noh Sung-il didn't directly answer that, and he far-fetched a long time like that. I don't think those are good condition, and quality of prostheses seems to me poor. At a search, Noh Sung-il was reluctant to answer directly and tried to evade the profile. In doing so, jury said to him directly, "The question is not a matter of condition, but Dr. Hwang produced the cloned prostheses successfully, and those has given to your team." Noh Sung-il finally answered, "Yes," and he recognized the existence of about 100 cloned prostheses. Number 2-F. About capability to establish stem cells. Noh Sung-il mentioned if he was given the healthy cloned prostheses, there was no problem to establish the stem cells definitely. Number 2-G. About contention of cloned prostheses. Noh Sung-il continuously mentioned that he heard from junior worker Dr. Park Jong-hyuk there was no healthy prosthesis. He said almost too bad. Meanwhile, Dr. Hwang also refuted as a factual material received from Dr. Park Jong-hyuk. This material contained that Park Jong-hyuk recognized and assessed Dr. Hwang's prosthesis as healthy condition. Number 2-H. Recognition for Dr. Hwang's technology. Missionary Hospital had Noh Sung-il recognized Dr. Hwang's foundational technology related to produce cloned human prostheses.